Hi, boys and girls. This is lesson 102 of Simple Solutions. Martha sleeps 9 hours on Monday night. She sleeps 6 hours on Tuesday. How many hours does she sleep in all? Write a number sentence. So Martha sleeps 9 hours. I'm going to circle the 9 on Monday. On Monday night, she sleeps 6 hours on Tuesday. Circle the 6. How many hours does she sleep in all? Write a number sentence. So when it asks us in all, we're adding the two numbers together. We're not taking them apart, we're putting them together. So it is going to be addition. So I'm going to put a plus in there. So my numbers are 9 plus 6 equals. Now, you can add those up if you already know what they are from Rocket Math. You can use your fingers. You can use the number line. Mrs. Simmons' only way of doing it on here is counters. So 9 is bigger, so I'm going to make 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 plus 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 hours plus 6 hours equals 15 hours. Number 2 and 3. Add the ones and then the tens. Write the sum. So it's our double-digit addition again. So we're going to start with the ones. So we have our ones down here. There are 3 and 3. So we know what 3 plus 3 is because that's a doubles. So I'm just going to write the 6. If you needed to, you can count them. They're there. And then I'm going to add the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 43 plus 23 equals 66. Number 4. I have 8 tens and 4 ones. What number am I? So now we have to put it together. They wrote it in expanded form with using words. And we just have to write it with digits in the right place. So we have to use an 8 and a 4. So 8 tens and 4 ones is written 8 tens, 4 ones equals 84. How much money is this? Count by tens. So they tell you that it's worth 10. Those are a dime. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So that equals 70 cents. Number 6. Draw a line to show 2 equal shares. So you would pick a spot, and we're going to draw a line to divide it in 2 equal shares. So you're going to draw just the best you can down the middle. Okay. Now the next side. Number 7. Draw a shape that has 3 equal sides. So a shape that has 3 sides is a triangle. But this time they want them to be equal. So you're going to try the best you can to make them equal. Now, they might not be perfect, but you can tell whether someone is making them close to the same size or not. So that is the best that Mrs. Simmons can do using her mouse. I'm sure yours look just as good. As long as they're not crazy wild like this, you can tell they're not equal. You want to make them the best you can. Number 8. What comes between 41 and 43? 41, 42, 43. Number 9 and 10. So we're going to use a tally mark chart with our numbers. Which toy does Mary have the fewest of? So fewest, what does that mean? Is that the biggest number or the smallest number? Fewest. Fewest is the smallest. So looking at all the tally marks, which one has the least? And the teddy bear. So we circle the picture of the teddy bear. How many dolls and balls does she have in all? So now we are adding, because it says in all, the dolls and the balls. So there's 5, and we'll count on 6, 7, 8. So 8 in all. Number 11 and 12. Use the hundreds chart to help you subtract. Start at 30, count back 20. Circle the answer, then write it in the blank. 30 minus 20. So if we are subtracting, we have to go this way towards smaller numbers. So 30 minus 20. Now every row counts as 10. So how many 10s are in 20? 2. So 30 minus 1 10, 2 10s equals 10. Now, if you didn't want to count by tens, you could count back by 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And you would get the same answer. So 30 minus 20 equals 10. Okay. Good job, boys and girls. That's the end of today's lesson. See you next time.